Welcome beautiful people, I am Chev. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. So for today's video, we're going to do a full makeup tutorial, but we will be focusing on the eyes. So today's video is sponsored by Juvia's Place, and they sent me their Or Culture collection. So I got their culture palette right here, and these are the shades in the palette. I'm usually more of a subtle type of look, or sometimes if I go bold, it would mostly be like an eyeliner. So I really want to push myself beyond the limit. I know you guys are probably tired of just the nude basic. It is springtime. It's time to be bright. It's time to be bold. It's time to be outstanding. So we're gonna try something with a little bit of popation. Okay, I literally just made that word up. Like, what is that? Popation. Also, they sent me within the collection is their dual chromatic liquid eyeshadows. So it's not dual chromatic, it's dual chrome liquid shadows. So we got about 4 of those shades to try out. So I feel like I'm going to be using this one just based on the color of my shirt. This one is the one that's standing out the most for me, and I'm gonna see if I can pronounce it. It's called the Ankara. I don't know. I usually do my eyebrows and my foundation before I do my eyeshadow. Then I go in with concealer and then just finish off the rest of my face. So we're just gonna fast forward, go a little fast with this portion, and then we're gonna go to the eyeshadow. Okay, and also I have done my eyebrows and they turn out pretty well. So again, we're using the culture palette, and it's about embracing different cultures around the world and all that good stuff. If you don't know, now you know. I am Jamaican, and I don't feel like doing the typical green, yellow, and black type of look right now, especially since the type of color shirt that I'm wearing. So I think what I want to do is, we're still gonna keep it Jamaican, because if you know Jamaican people, they're very loud when it comes to fashion. Okay, they're very out there, very bold with it. So I think we're gonna do, I'm thinking we're gonna do a blue and orange type of look. Okay, stick with me. I know it sounds a little bit extra, but that's just the Jamaican in me. I will be priming my lids with the Juvia's Place primer. So this is the Eye Prep Eye Primer in the shade number 2. Now we're going to be using this brown orange hue down here, this little pretty color right here, and we're going to work that into our crease. Now we're going to go in with this orange right here. So as you guys can see, that is super pigmented. Like, look how bright she is. Like, girl, but I'm trying to see which one of the dual chrome eyeshadow I want to use. We're going to use the Ankara. So I got an idea. We're going to use it as a liner. Hope it's bright enough. So we're going to see how bright it is to actually use it like a liner. Next, I'm going to put it on the bottom of the lids as a liner. Oh no. Ooh, okay, change my mind. I'm going to use a black mascara. So it's less work to do as opposed to just trying to make it as bright as possible. So we're going to put the black, not mascara, child. We're going to use a black liner, and then we're going to put the liquid eyeshadow on top. I got some, what do you call this, transfer? We got some loose powder down here. We're trying to be different, okay? We're trying to be outstanding, okay? So I just put on some lashes from Amazon, and I put dark liner on my waterline, and that's about it. So I'm gonna finish out the rest of my routine, and then we're gonna see the finished look. Okay guys, now this is our completed look. It's giving real much spring extraness, you feel me? So I went ahead, instead of the blue, to go with the orange. I like how the orange look with my skin tone. It's giving fresh, it's giving fruity, it's giving refreshing, okay, with a little bit of extraness. It's very close to being drag extra, but we're working on that very thin line. Again, we use the Culture collection from Juvia's place, so I'll leave the link for you guys down below. Let me know what you guys think about this video. I hope it was entertaining and informative and all that good stuff. Remember, if you're new here, you've come all the way to the end of the video, so might as well subscribe, you know, to see more content, see more me. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn.chev, and also TikTok. I keep forgetting TikTok. So follow me on all social media platforms. My handle is the same across the board. It is at damn.chev. And that is all that I have for you beautiful people today. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.